Hello, everyone.
Hi, YouTube.
So today we received a couple of donations.
Yeah.
And we're going to open them. So we weren't exactly sure who to thank for these. We got Mark K. And then this one is only just a couple initials, PH.
Yeah.
So thank you, Mark K. And thank you, PH.
I'm excited to see what's in them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Every card helps. Oh my goodness. It seems like it's a PSA Pikachu.
Ooh.
I don't want to reveal the grade just yet. One of Vincey's favorites is Pikachu. It's a PSA graded Pikachu.
Ooh, he's so cute. He's so cute.
It's a mint 9.
Ooh, that's cool.
So thank you very much for that, Mark K. We appreciate that.
Excited to see what's in the next one.
And it is a Jumbo Pikachu GX.
Ooh, a jumbo Pokemon Pikachu.
Yeah, I've never seen a top loader that big before.
Yeah, that's
a very big top loader. I think we have a couple of these around. I'm not sure if they're worth much. But yes, 1 second. Let me get it off this tape.
Ah.
It's okay. There you go.
He's so cool.
It's a big one.
The big Pikachu.
So thank you,
GX.
PH, for sending us the Pikachu GX.
Really appreciated about this card. It's very large.
I'm going to see if we can find our big GXs as well.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the packages that we received today.
It's really neat. This one has a star on it right in the corner.
It's a promo.
Oh.
It's a Black Star promo. Every little bit helps.
Yes.
Thanks for joining us for this unboxing of our donations.
Hope you all have a nice day.
And we'll see you again in the next one.
Bye.